Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play as Galio on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store on this page. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is again look at the left top and select this champions option right here. And as you select it, either you can just scroll down to look for the champion Galio, or just go in the search box at the left and type Galio. And as you type it, you can see the Galio champion on your screen. And to play as him, you have to buy the character, and to buy it you need RP points or the blue essence. So if you don't have the RP point, you can just top up the RP point from the store. So guys, that's how you play as Galio on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.